வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 6 டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் இன் இந்தியா. Book exercise, question and answer, higher order thinking question. First Roman letter, choose the correct answers. First one, which of the following activities of the people will not come under handicraft? Option A, carving statues out of stone. Option B, making bangles with glass. Option C, weaving silk sarees. Option D, smelting of iron. The correct answer is option D, smelting of iron. Second one, the oldest industry in India was dash industry. Option A, textile. Option B, steel. Option C, electrical. Option D, fertilizers. The correct answer is option A, textile. Third one, the woolen and leather factories became prominent, that is important in dash. Option A, Bombay. Option B, Ahmedabad. Option C, Kanpur. Option D, Dhaka. The correct answer is option C, Kanpur. Fourth one, what was the aim of first 3 5-year plans of India? Option A, to control population growth. Option B, to reduce illiteracy rate. Option C, to build a strong industrial base. Option D, to empower the women. The correct answer is option C, to build a strong industrial base. Fifth one, what was not the reason for the decline of Indian industries? Option A, loss of royal patronage. Option B, competition of machine-made goods. Option C, industrial policy of India. Option D, trading policy of British. The answer is option C, industrial policy of India was not the reason for the decline of Indian industries. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash was the integral part in the life of the people. Answer is crafts. Second one, industrial revolution, Tolil Purachi, took place in dash. The answer is Britain. Third one, the Assam Tea Company was founded in dash. The answer is 1839. Fourth one, jute industry was started in the Hooghly Valley at dash near Calcutta. The answer is Rishra. Fifth one, dash shortened the distance between Europe and India. The answer is Suez Canal. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Tavernier, French traveler. Second one, Dhaka, muslin. Third one, Dadabhai Naroji, drain theory. Fourth one, Ballygunge, paper mill. Fifth one, Smiths, artisans. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, India was famous for cotton and silk cloths. True. Second one, the railway was introduced in India by the British. True. Third one, steel was first manufactured by modern methods at Jamshedpur. False, because it was manufactured at Kulti. Fourth one, the industrial policy of 1948 brought mixed economy in industrial sector. True. Fifth one, the 10th and 11th 5-year plans witnessed a high growth rate of agricultural production. False, because high growth rate of industrial production. Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. First one, which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1, according to Edward Baines, the birthplace of cotton manufacture is in England. Statement 2, before mechanized industry, handicrafts was the second largest source of employment in rural India. Statement 3, Saurashtra was known for tin industry. Statement 4, construction of Suez Canal made the British goods cheaper in India. From these 4 statements, we should find out the correct statements. So, the statement number 2 and statement number 4 are correct. So, the correct option is B. 2 and 4 are correct. 1 and 3 are wrong. Second one, assertion. Indian handicrafts collapsed under the colonial rule. Reason, British made India as the producer of raw materials and markets for their finished products. Option A is correct or is correct explanation of A. Option B, A is correct and or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, both A and R are correct. Option D, both A and R are wrong. Here the correct answer is option A. A is correct. R is correct explanation of A. Third one, which one of the following is wrongly matched? Option A, Bernier, Shahjahan. Option B, Cotton Mill, Ahmedabad. Option C, Tisco, Jamshedpur. Option D, Economic Liberalization, 1980. So from these four pairs, we should find out the wrong pair. The wrong pair is option D, Economic Liberalization, 1980, because Economic Liberalization, 1991. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in one or two sentences. First question, what are the traditional handicrafts industries of India? Question number 2, write about the drain theory. Third one, name the inventions which made the production of textiles on large scale. Fourth one, write a short notes on Confederation of Indian Industry. Question number 5, what is deindustrialization? Seventh Roman letter, answer the following. First one, how was the trading policy of British caused for the decline of Indian industries? Second one, write in detail about the plantation industries. Third one, explain industrial development after 1991 reforms. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. First one, how do handicraft products differ from machine-made products? Ninth Roman letter, mark the following places on the outline map of India. 10th Roman letter, project and activity. Question number 1, name the industries in your state and divide them into agro-based, metal-based and forest-based.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.